In 2025, Google Business Profile is not just a tool for displaying your business information, it's also a powerful marketing platform. By using it strategically, businesses can attract more customers, increase engagement, and drive sales. In this video, we'll share marketing tips to help you make the most out of your Google Business Profile and grow your business effectively. The first tip is to complete and optimize your profile for search. Ensure your business name, address, phone number, website, and operating hours are accurate and consistent across all platforms. Add a detailed description with relevant keywords that potential customers are likely to use when searching for your products or services. A fully optimized profile increases your chances of appearing in local searches and getting discovered by the right audience. Next, leverage high-quality photos and videos. Visual content makes your profile more attractive and can influence customer decisions. Share images of your products, services, team, or storefront, and create short videos highlighting what makes your business unique. Regularly updating media content keeps your profile fresh and engaging, which can lead to higher interaction rates and more customer inquiries. Actively manage customer reviews to boost your marketing efforts. Positive reviews increase trust and credibility, while responding professionally to negative feedback demonstrates that you care about your customers' experiences. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews and use the feedback to showcase your business strengths in marketing campaigns. Reviews also help improve your profile's visibility on Google. Utilize posts and updates to promote events, offers, or new products. Google Business Profile allows you to create posts that appear directly on your listing. These updates keep your audience informed, demonstrate that your business is active, and encourage customers to take action. Regular posting is a simple yet effective marketing strategy that increases engagement and visibility. Another marketing tip is to use the Q&A section strategically. Answer common questions that potential customers might have about your products, services, or policies. Proactively managing this section improves customer experience, builds trust, and positions your business as professional and responsive. Finally, monitor insights and analytics. Google Business Profile provides valuable data on how customers find your listing, what actions they take, and which features drive the most engagement. Use these insights to refine your marketing strategy, create targeted promotions, and optimize your profile for better results. By following these marketing tips, optimizing your profile, adding visuals, managing reviews, posting updates, using Q&A, and analyzing insights, you can turn your Google Business Profile into a powerful marketing tool that attracts customers and drives growth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and marketing strategies, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest updates. Start applying these Google Business Profile marketing tips today and watch your business grow.